A tree is known by its fruit. This simple observation holds a profound truth, applicable not only to the natural world, but also to human experience. We readily identify an apple tree by the apples it bears, a mango tree by its mangoes. The fruit provides clear and undeniable evidence of the tree's nature. Similarly, a person's character and inner being are revealed through their actions, their words, and the consequences of their choices, their fruit. While words can be carefully chosen and appearance can be deceiving, actions offer a more authentic glimpse into a person's true nature. Kindness, generosity, compassion, and integrity manifest in tangible ways, becoming the good fruit of a virtuous individual. Conversely, actions driven by selfishness, greed, or malice reveal a different kind of fruit, one that speaks to a less noble character. This principle encourages self-reflection. We are called to examine our own trees, our inner selves, and consider the fruit we are producing. Are our actions aligned with the values we profess? Are we consistently demonstrating the qualities we admire in others? Cultivating good fruit requires conscious effort, a commitment to ethical behavior, and a genuine desire to make a positive impact on the world. Ultimately, it is not merely what we say, but what we do that defines us. Our fruit serves as a testament to our true character, revealing the kind of tree we have become